abantu nyamwingi bayika kanisa ya St James Cathedral Ruharo kwetabo mu kushaba ko kwijuka amazarwa ga Yesu Kristo. Okushaba ko kwatandika shayisha tuzakasheshe kandi kwaba kwebembirwa mureberezi Dr. Sheldon Fred Mwesugwa.
And actually when you see what happens in the Western world, you better understand that we are in a different sphere and the future is not going to be bright and good.
Bishop Sheldon yasima Ruhanga bwo kubashyahizo beri kandi yashaba abakurustayo kuzaguza amazarwa ga Yesu Kristo mu bukuru bwago barokwe yaro kusinze bishani.
We give thanks to God for Christmas. This has been a special Christmas. I've seen so many people who have come from all over. They have great excitement, but the message of Jesus Christ, we are saying, brings joy. The angels announced the good news of joy in the hearts of people. But sadly, sometimes we've not had enough. We have not had joy in the hearts of many people. There is a lot of suffering and pain. But we thank God that people continue to flock to their homes to celebrate Christmas. This is what I've known all the days of my life.
Right Reverend Dr. Fred Sheldon Mwesugwa na Mama Dr. Alice Mwesugwa abukuba cathedral ne yabo. Ngaba bishop harumwentebe ndo bajeta cathedral n'entebe ya bishop mweni kibasa nyowe nimba ntumirwe kureberera cathedral on their behalf.
Kristo nagatu yusi munonga ahabwe binte bitwara bere byona ne bitukuza kureba mesho tureke kureba habirunge byizobere byonka tureba habirunge bitwakukorire enseji tureba hakora namani.
Omugandi makuru ari ntunga mu town Catholic Parish okushaba kwa yebemberwa bwana mukuru tumusime John Bosco kandi yashabira abantu kuhindura emitwarize yabo kandi bakateka kore byentunguka omwaka musya.
Nanyowe omwaka kwasa kutandika nonda creating room for what akwa Kristo niwe byona twetaga kuhindura hano cyiti oraba bira ine room yebitokosa Kongo hatejo na chingana ichereza Kristo ko musunwe na agerachi nta mutahamu.
Our Hope Discovery Church okuburira kwa yebemberwa Pastor Ronald Naturinda.
Abashije n'abakazo musinjo who are born abakuza not by human blood batazirwe na shagama y'umuntu but by the Spirit of God. Konka bazirwe umoyo wa Ruhanga.
Echo mutana Our Hope Discovery Church bwanyuma yo kweza kushaba buri omwe yahebwe kitereke cyenyama okugenda kujaguza.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Amo nongo chingwa na gambira abanyatunga abanyayuganda izo anebera 2005 2012 ebiri 10 byuko akabiri ngaruza abana mu mashomero so tugende turiye tunywe tujaguze kongata kayebwa ka school fees tukamara ka school fees abana bitu ba Uganda bintu kushoma.
Amakuru agagasha kwa na Good Fatima na Simon Ayamba.